Are you tired of searching for real ways to make money online, only to end up overwhelmed by complicated systems, expensive courses, and confusing strategies? If you have been looking for a beginner-friendly online business model that does not require technical skills or paid ads, then you need to hear about ClickJack Hack. Right now, millions of people are building passive income streams through digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and traffic monetization. The opportunity is massive, but most beginners do not know where to start. That is where ClickJack Hack comes in. ClickJack Hack is designed to help everyday people tap into viral traffic and turn it into potential online income. Instead of creating products from scratch, building complex websites, or spending thousands on advertising, this system focus is on leveraging content that is already getting attention online. Think about it. Every single day, viral posts, trending topics, and high-engagement content generate millions of clicks. Most people scroll past it. But what if you could strategically position yourself in that traffic flow and monetize it? That is the core idea behind ClickJack Hack. One of the biggest reasons people struggle with affiliate marketing and online income is information overload. You watch one YouTube video that tells you to start a blog. Another says run paid ads. Another says build a dropshipping store. It becomes confusing fast. ClickJack Hack simplifies the process into a structured, step-by-step system. It shows you how to identify high-engagement content, strategically place monetization links, and redirect traffic in a way that can generate commissions. It focuses on organic traffic strategies rather than expensive ad campaigns, making it ideal for beginners. If you have searched for terms like best side hustle, how to earn money from home, passive income ideas, or affiliate marketing for beginners, then you already know how competitive this space is. What makes ClickJack Hack attractive is its low barrier to entry. You do not need coding skills. You do not need a large following. You do not need to invest huge amounts of money upfront. It is designed for students, stay-at-home parents, aspiring entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to start an online business without overwhelming complexity. Another important factor is affordability. Many online marketing programs cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. ClickJack Hack positions itself as a low-cost alternative, giving people access to training and strategies without major financial risk. Of course, let us be clear, no system guarantees overnight success. Real online income requires effort, consistency, and action. But what ClickJack Hack provides is direction. And for many beginners, direction is the missing piece. Instead of guessing what works, you follow a blueprint. Instead of trying 10 different strategies at once, you focus on one streamlined approach. That kind of clarity can dramatically shorten the learning curve. Imagine setting up a system once and having the potential to generate commissions from traffic that already exists online. That is the appeal of viral traffic monetization. With the right positioning and execution, it can become a scalable online income stream. The digital economy is growing rapidly. More people are working remotely. More businesses are shifting online. More consumers are buying through digital platforms. The opportunity to build financial freedom online has never been greater. But opportunity alone is not enough. Action is what separates those who succeed from those who keep searching. If you are serious about building a side hustle, exploring affiliate marketing, and stepping into the world of digital entrepreneurship, ClickJack Hack may be worth checking out. Review the details, understand how it works, and decide if it aligns with your goals. At the end of the day, the internet rewards those who take action. Your journey toward online income and passive earnings starts with a single decision. If you are ready to stop watching others succeed and start building your own path, this could be your moment.